I don't remember what year it was. It was a long time ago. It was in the early days of the Yiddish Book Center. And I remember coming for the first time to the Yiddish Book Center. And there was a particular program, I don't remember what it was, that I was interested in. And as I came up to the front door and saw a sign that talked about its hours, and what struck me, it said, closed on Shabbos. I can't tell you how that made me feel. The sense that I was back in that Yiddish world in the same way today I refuse to call a yarmulke a kippah. It's not the Hebrew that's important to me, it's the Yiddish.